Hi guys, my name is Prince Will. I am an IT contractor, consultant, and EdTech entrepreneur at MainPro Services. I'd like to tell you something today concerning IT. A little bit of my background anyway. I've been around for like say 12, 13 years in the industry. Had my education far and wide, both here in Nigeria and the UK. And I've been practicing in the industry at least for 10 years and various jobs in IT, talking about different fields, including software development. So recently, I and my colleagues set up MainPro Services, and there's an arm of MainPro which takes care of human capacity development, which is training. That's where I'm really functioning very well, because I believe there's a huge skill gap, especially in the third world, especially here in Nigeria, and the way things are not being done right is one of the things that motivated me to into teaching. Okay, so a couple of things I wanted to talk about is the challenge for the skill gap. So you see, a lot of people that want to come into tech, it's a good thing, no doubt about that, because tech defines every other industry. Talk about medicine, talk about agriculture, talk about engineering, talk about other fields, social sciences. Technology has a way of defining them and putting them straight with the way should go. It's more like a convergence, taking place. And recently we have a number of these technologies coming up at the same time, talking about AI, blockchain technology, mixed reality technology, talking about the metaverse, NFTs, the IoTs. All of these are converging at the same time, and they are going somewhere. So people sometimes don't know which one to take. What am I going to do? Which one? Where is it going in the next 10 years? Which route am I going to take? A lot of people are confused, which is why a bit of what I do is to give counseling to people that are coming into the industry. But that's a story for another day. I really want to talk about the weakness a lot of people have when they take IT courses. The number one reason is poor foundation. So when you're doing something and you're not properly taught, it doesn't matter anything. Just think back when you were in primary school or secondary school. I know guys who, once it's further math, they'll fly out of the window. I know guys who, once it's further math, yay, they are in. Mathematics, yay, while others are running away. So what's the difference? The difference is some like mathematics, some hate it. Some prefer further math, some don't like it. Some like mathematics, they don't like further math. All of these nuances and differences is because there's weakness somewhere, there's a gap somewhere. So, and if that gap is not closed, then the student progressing further in that course will have a problem understanding the higher dimensions of that course. The same thing applies to IT. It doesn't matter the course, software development, you're into telecommunication engineering, cybersecurity, data analysis. It doesn't matter. If you have a weak foundation to build on, you always struggle, to get to where you want to go. So, and what causes that weakness is poor instructions, weak teachers, uninformed, or teachers who are not really equipped with the knowledge to impact students. That's one. The second dimension is it's not everybody that can teach. Some people know it, but to transfer it to someone else is a different ball game altogether, because you need to understand your students, the way they learn, before you can be able to transfer that particular skill. in a number of ways. Anyway. So those are the two things. There's no other magic about it. If you have a weak foundation, if you are taught by a good teacher, you will do very well. So that brings me to the reason for making this video. I'm putting up, a class, 7 weeks foundational class on networking. Okay, cybersecurity is one of the is right now the number one job in the world, number one skill set, sought after, paid hugely by companies, and more than programming or software development, and it's no surprise due to the huge influx in the big data industry, the AI going up, the bloom. So there are people that need to be manned this system, even though they're going to be using AI. But you need to know what to do to use AI, to prompt AI, to engineer AI. So there's a lot of stakes there. So I'm putting up a course, foundational course in network and communications on the 25th of May, starting on 25th of May. It's going to run for 7 weeks. Intensive, thorough. You can ask any question anywhere in the world concerning networking. I'll answer it. So the course is for people who are going into cybersecurity, if I have, or Linux foundation, system administration, people who are into computer engineering, people who are into telecom engineering, but I found weaknesses in networking, or they know they know more about telecommunications than the computer aspects of the networking. Come on board, so I can dry carpet you, so that you'll be rock solid in what you are doing. Okay. People who should be taking CCNA, Linux Plus. I've mentioned telecom engineering, and also generally beginners in IT, or if you're going to take CompTIA, for instance, CompTIA certification for A plus or whatever, you will need this course. You will need it. And I tend to say that it wasn't really what I teach. Okay, I teach higher classes, data analysis and cybersecurity, but a student of mine who had done cybersecurity, I won't mention his name, that's my listeners to the studio, have some weaknesses in networking, which I discovered during the training, and that informed my opinion to do this course. So basically is at a giveaway price, because I've now found out that a lot of people had this problem forever, and it's very fundamental to be addressed. So the fee is like, if you go to some of the high-end outfits out there, like NIT, Aptech. I taught in Aptech. Okay, I taught in Aptech a few years ago before I resigned. New Horizon, HIIT, is in Lagos also. If you go, it's not anything less than 450, 500k to do this course. If you're going to do it well, the way I'm going to do it. But I'm doing this at a giveaway price because I just want people to be fortified for what they're going to face. It's a giveaway for almost 100% discount of what they will charge you out there. So come 25th of May this month, we'll be starting that class, and it doesn't matter if you're working. It's going to be an evening class, so you have nothing to do with your work 3 times in a week, probably 7 to 9 p.m., 2 hours per session. You go rest 3 times in a week for 7 weeks. Everything will be covered. Q&A session, there's what we call AMA, Ask Me Anything session. We'll answer these questions, anything in networking. And the labs, real practical labs. And not forgetting, my own mentor, will be on board. It's not like live, but his pre-recorded videos. This person who I look up to when I was in UK for mentorship. You see, you gotta have a mentor. You gotta be taught. You have to follow someone. That's how successful people do it. No one just succeed out of the blue. So I ask you, who is your mentor in IT? I don't know. So I'm going to be using some of his videos to teach the classes, so you can learn what I learned firsthand. So it's something you're not gonna miss. Really, really. For to you, if you ever see this video, it's not on Facebook, it's not on Twitter, it's not on IG, alright? If you ever see this video, it's because someone, a friend, shared it to you, and it's on purpose, because I don't want crowd. Okay, I'm not looking. 25 persons, 25, only 25 is what is needed for this class, not more than 25. If there are more than 25, then I have to split the class into batches. Then next batch will commence after this one. 25, the first 25, that's it. That's why I didn't put it up on Facebook ad or IG or any of those. I just want a small number. So because if I train a bunch of students that are concrete, they will go out there and know what they are doing. They will do the recommendations. I don't have to do the ad, Good work speaks for itself. So 25th of May, if you see the ad or the video, there will be a link to someone that shared it to you, and you use that link to register for the classes. I think the price is 150k. Yeah, just giveaway price 150k. If you are paying for premium materials, it's 5,000. That's 155. Premium materials like the software we use for networking, we can donate it free, but the configuration is a bit different. GNS tray, packet tracer, network visualizer. You can choose any one you want, plus some other materials which you can get anywhere. Ebooks that will really help you post study to be able to get granular. So you also have a reference materials for the future in case you want to go and study more on a particular topic. So that's it. Go find the link or ask the person that share you the video to show you the link where you can go register. The orientation will be on 25th of May by 8 p.m. So the orientation day, there is no course. They will talk about how the courses will be, introduce myself to the students, know how many we are, form a WhatsApp group, and then kickstart the class the next day. See you in class.